Hello everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make green bean casserole. So I'm going to go ahead and first show you the ingredients. Over here I have 4 cups of fresh green beans that I went ahead and cut up into small pieces like this. And then you're going to need 1 cup of diced onions. And then over here I have a stick of butter. You can use a little bit less than a stick, but I'm going to be using the whole stick today. 1 cup of sliced mushrooms. And then also some sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to be using about half a cup to 3/4 of a cup of this. And then you're also going to need some cream of mushroom. I have 2 cans, and these are 10-ounce cans. Some French fried onions, about 6 ounces of French fried onions. And then you're going to need 5 cups of chicken broth, a pinch of black pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And now we're going to go ahead and get started. So I went ahead and added 5 cups of chicken broth in a pot, and I'm going to go ahead and add my green beans to this, and I'm going to bring this to a boil, and I'm going to let the green beans boil in the chicken broth for about 10 minutes. After about 5 minutes of the green beans boiling, in another pan I'm going to go ahead and melt my 1 stick of butter, and then once it's melted I'm going to be adding my diced onions and the sliced mushrooms, and I'm going to cook those for a few minutes. After a few minutes of cooking the mushrooms and the onions, now I'm going to go ahead and add about 3/4 of this can of French onions, so about 4 ounces, because I'm also going to be using some to top off the casserole before it bakes. And I'm also going to be adding the cream of mushroom and the salt, pepper, and garlic powder. So we're going to mix everything together very well, and we're going to cook it for another few minutes before we add the green beans. So the green beans have been boiling in the chicken broth for about 10 minutes, and this is how they look like. And now I'm going to add just the green beans to the mushroom and onion mixture. So I went ahead and added the green beans. I'm just gonna mix that in, and I'm gonna let this cook together for about 5 minutes on a medium-low heat. After mixing that in for 5 minutes, now I'm going to go ahead and put it in my Pyrex pan. So I went ahead and greased my Pyrex pan. This is a 9x13, and you're just going to spread it evenly. And then I'm going to top it off with the rest of the French onions, and I'm going to bake this at 350 for about 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes, and this is what it'll look like after baking for 20 minutes on 350. So now I'm going to go ahead and top it off with the sharp cheddar cheese. I'm going to be adding about half a cup of this. You don't have to add any at all if you don't like to, or you can add more, whatever you like. So I'm going to top this off with the cheese. I'm going to put it back in the oven on 350 for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to broil it just for a few minutes, and then it'll be ready to serve. And I'll show you what it looks like once it's done. Alrighty, and this is what it looks like after baking it with the cheese. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut into it so you can see what it looks like on the inside. That is it. That is the final look of the green bean casserole. This is a great side dish for your Thanksgiving dinner, and it's so easy to put together and so delicious. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you try this recipe, let me know how you like it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching.